Welcome back to Coin World Explorer, the channel where ordinary coins turn into extraordinary discoveries. Today's video is all about the Philippines 1 Sentimo 2000 coin, a coin most people ignore, but collectors are actively searching for. Watch till the end because I'll explain why this coin is valuable, what makes it rare, how to identify it, and how you might sell it for top dollar. Let's explore. The 1 Sentimo coin is the smallest denomination in Philippine currency. 100 Sentimo igual a un peso. Face value equals almost nothing. Collector value equals potentially huge. The 2000 issue belongs to the new design coin series released by the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. At first glance, it looks ordinary, but hidden details make it special. Let's break down the technical details collectors care about. Coin details. Country, Philippines. Year, 2000. Denomination, 1 Sentimo. Metal, aluminum. Weight, approximate, 0.6 grams. Diameter, around 15 millimeters. Shape, round. Edge, plain. Because it's made of aluminum, this coin is very light. Easily damaged. Rare in high-grade condition. That's important. Condition affects value dramatically. Obverse, front side. Features Lapu-Lapu, a Filipino national hero. Inscription, República ng Pilipina. Year, 2000. Reverse, backside. Denomination, 1 Sentimo. Banco Central ng Pilipinas logo. Clean, minimalist design. Collectors love coins that combine historical figures. National symbolism. Short-lived mint runs. Now, let's answer the big question. Why would a 1 Sentimo coin be worth up to $58? Here are the main reasons. 1. Low survival rate. Most of these coins were heavily circulated, scratched easily, melted, or discarded. High-quality examples are hard to find. 2. Collector demand. Philippine coin collectors, especially overseas, actively search for Millennium Year coins, low denomination types, coins in mint or near mint condition. 3. Condition is everything. Here's a value estimate. Condition estimated value. Circulated $1 to $5. Extra fine $10 to $20. Uncirculated $30 to $58. Mint state / error even more. Coins with errors can be worth hundreds. Check your coin closely for rare errors. Off-center strike. Weak or missing date. Double D lettering. Wrong metal thickness. Even small errors can multiply the value. Here's what to do. Use a magnifying glass. Weigh the coin accurately. Look for sharp details. Avoid cleaning the coin, very important. Cleaning can reduce value by 50% or more. If possible, get it graded or compare with verified listings. You can sell valuable coins on online auction platforms, Coin Collector Forum, local coin dealers, coin shows. Always check sold listings, not asking prices. So next time you see a tiny 1 Sentimo coin, don't ignore it. It could be a hidden treasure, a collector's dream, or your next $58 surprise. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe to Coin World Explorer, turn on notifications, comment below. Do you own this coin? Thanks for watching, and keep exploring the world of coins.